In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to sort and filter in Wrike. This process can truly streamline your workflow by allowing you to prioritize tasks and organize your projects effectively. So let's dive in and explore how you can make the most out of Wrike's powerful sorting and filtering tools. First things first, ensure you've got Wrike open and ready to go. Once you're in, you'll need to navigate to where you want to begin sorting. This could be anywhere within Wrike that suits your project needs, such as a folder, project, space, or a simple task list. Sorting can make a big difference in how you see your tasks laid out, and to do this, you have the choice of opening either the list view or the table view. When you're in list view or table view, look toward the top of the view where you'll see various column headers. These headers might include options like due date, start date, status, priority, assignee, title, or created date, to name a few. To sort your tasks or projects through any of these criteria, simply click on the column header of your choice. You should see your items reorder according to the column you selected. If you'd prefer to switch things up and sort in reverse, say from ascending order to descending order or vice versa, just click on the same column header again and you'll see the updated order automatically. Now that your items are sorted, let's talk about how to apply filters. Filtering can offer an additional layer of control over what you see on your screen, helping you home in on the most important tasks. Begin by opening your project, folder, or dashboard within Wrike. Once you're there, locate the filter option. It's frequently represented by a funnel icon. This is your gateway to accessing a variety of filtering options. When you click on that filter or funnel icon, you'll be presented with different criteria that you can choose to streamline what you see. Some of the most commonly used filter options might include assignee, status, due date, priority, project owner, as well as custom fields. You can also use created by and task type filters to further specify your focus. By selecting these criteria, you can zero in on exactly what you need, seeing only the tasks that matter to you at that moment. Experiment with different combinations of sort and filter settings until you find a setup that works best for you and your workflow. In summary, mastering the art of sorting and filtering within Wrike can greatly enhance your productivity and efficiency. It empowers you to manage your projects with precision, ensuring that nothing falls through the cracks. Whether you're dealing with deadlines, managing team responsibilities, or tracking the progress of specific tasks, Wrike's sort and filter capabilities are there to help. Thanks for watching, and I hope you find sorting and filtering in Wrike as useful as I do.